everybody. Hi, it's me, Coach Annie. How are you? I'm so glad to see you all. I'm sorry we don't get to see each other in class, but I'm glad you're coming to join us. We hope you'll join us all the time. We have lots of fun videos for you. Next week, we'll be starting our Little Gym at Home program. And on days when there's no classes, we'll still have videos for stories and activities that you can do to stay having fun at home. All right, ready? So we're gonna start off today with a story. I'm gonna read you a story called Don't Push the Button. Let's find out what happens if they do push the button. You guys ready? Here we go. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry, and welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Should we do it? All right, let's do it together. Ready? Doot. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Ready? Doot. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ready? Doot, doot. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Doot, 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 doot. Uh-oh. What happened? There's a lot of them now, right? Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let's shake together. Ready? Shake, 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 shake. Did it work? Almost. A little more. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That's weird. All right, let's try. Ready? That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. Well, maybe, but that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Let's do it. Do, 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 do. Oh, that was so silly. Well, thank you all for joining me for story time today. Stay tuned for more videos and we'll see you soon, okay?